If you want to install iPhone theme or iOS launcher on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, you just have to go to the Play Store, and then over here we can search for the iOS launcher. You can also type iOS theme or iPhone launcher, stuff like that. This allows you to find many different launchers in the Play Store that can be, at least in theory, used on our phone. Of course, feel free to try any of these launchers. I'm gonna use this one specifically. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. And let's give it a try. So we're gonna open it. Of course, we might see an ad in the meantime or something like that. We don't have to agree to location, but we can allow the access to contacts and the media. We need to go to make default launcher. So whenever we go to the home screen, we're gonna actually open the iOS launcher instead of the standard OPPO launcher. We need to wait for the ad to be done. Let's tap on close, press OK, and then over here we can switch to the iOS launcher quite easily. If you see this warning message, you can just skip it. And there we go. We have our iOS launcher on our phone. We also have the app library, as you can see over here. We can search through apps. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.